Hey, welcome back, Math Gurus. On this video, we're going to continue practicing fractions and decimals on a number line. We'll also extend it a little further and go with percent. All right, so it says plot 4/5 on the number line. Now, 4 is the part, 5 is the total. So I always like to see what's my total. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which I covered half of them. So that means 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so it's out of 10 is my total. So I need an equivalent fraction. So if 5 becomes 10, 4 will become 8. So I need to look for the 8th part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8/10, or 8/10 as a decimal point 8, and it can even be 80%. If we want to go ahead and simplify this, it would be 4/5. All right, let's do one more. It says plot 5, 6 in the number line. Now on this one, we weren't given any. We have to come up this with ourselves. Well, I think I'd start with thirds first. That splits it up into thirds, but I'm going to have to double that, and that would give me 6 total parts. What I mean is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I want 5 out of 6. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6. Sorry. That's 0.83 repeating. And then 83. Oh, would it be third percent? Oh, man. All right. Well, I hope it is. If it's not, I'll probably be re-recording it. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe.